Cool. Welcome, Gracie Abrams. Adams? Who's Adams? Anyway, we got Abrams. J.J. Abrams' daughter. For those playing at home. Let's start with the chords. That's what's going on. But what's going on is it's not really a piano song, it's on guitar. So we're gonna strum like what the guitar's doing, but on piano. So that's kind of what's going on at that very start part. So we got a B flat major. I'll go through it in a sec properly, and then we've got an F over C. Being technical, it does change to just a normal F like later, but I just want to be true to the song for now. C minor 7, E flat, and that's going to be pretty much all our chords, but it's the way that we play them. So our left hand is going to be doing this. This is for the start part. So we got a B flat, D, C and an F, C and a G, and an E flat and a G. That's going to be our left hand. Right hand, I'll just add in the left hand for now, but the right hand's looking like this. That makes up our B flat. That makes up the F over C. That's our C minor 7. That's what we're looking at. So we're gonna do that strum kind of thing. That's the wrong note. Don't hit that note. That kind of thing. So then when we get to the next part, we're probably just gonna then make it a little bit simpler. Let's do this for, say, you could do this for the verse, but mostly for the chorus. I'll play through it. That's the way love goes, everything always mine. I love you, sorry. So you can do that. I feel like that would be a nice way to get through. Yeah. Sweet. So that's going to be our chorus. Now, the only difference at some point is the bridge. This part's the same. It does one round of this. So still the same chords. And then it changes to a G minor. So G, B flat, D, and then back to the same chord progression before, but instead of that's your first chord usually, it's going to exchange it for a G minor, F, C minor 7, E flat. So I'll do that again. Does this one, the normal one. Change G minor. Woo! I think I hit a wrong one. And then you're back to the chorus. That's the way I go, everything I I love you, I'm sorry. That's it. It's cool. Great song.